makeup, hair products, deodorant. We all use it, but do we really know where it comes from? Every year, animals are subjected to painful, damaging experiences that would never be used on humans. The U.S. Department of Agriculture estimated 14 animals were used in 2002. I feel this is important because this is overlooked and no one really understands the concept of animal cosmetic testing. Hello, my name is Nicole and I will talk to you about animal testing with cosmetics. I will be talking about the history, the testing process, and animal testing today. Going back to the beginning, testing cosmetics on animals began in 1933 when a woman applied mascara and then went blind. The FDA passed the Federal Drug and Cosmetic Act, which protected the public from unsafe cosmetics. They urged cosmetic manufacturers to conduct whatever tests are necessary to keep cosmetics safe. The more cosmetics that were tested on animals, the more animal rights groups emerged. Where do animals come from? Most scientists buy the animals. There are two dealers, Class A and Class B. Class A dealers only sell animals that they breed. Class B dealers buy animals, they find, pick up stray, and they also get animals from the shelter to donate to scientists. Benefits are protecting human health and safety, and companies claim they protect human health, which is the main reason they do testing. Our safety is in the mind, but what happens to the safety of the animals? The testing process. How are they treated? Small animals are often confined in boxes with food and water hanging from the top of their cage. Large animals are placed in wire cages, alone and left by themselves for long hours. In 2002, more than half of 1.4 million counted USDA felt no pain. 489,262 of 1.4 million animals felt pain and distress. 103,064 animals were given no aesthetics and they were made to feel pain. The methods that are used. Common tests are acute toxicity tests, which are also known as poisoning tests. They are determined to kill almost all the animals that they are given to. Another method is substance. Substance is forced into the tubes of animals' stomachs, injected into their eyes, or given to them through gas masks. They then observe the reactions of the animals. This is caused by hours of observation. The animals contain convulsions, labored breathing, eruptions, bleeding through the eyes, and abnormal structures. Microbiological associates Dr. Roger D. Curran considered the test unreliable at best. Where do they go after? Some animals are reused, but it is very rare. Others die in the process, and the ones that live are euthanized and killed. The testing process is often brutal, but can that be changed? Animal testing today. There are many alternatives created. One is tissue. Scientists can study the tissue culture instead of testing on animals. Another is cell-based in vitro, which is a toxicity screening test for drugs and chemicals. Microdosing is used a lot lately. People volunteer and they are given drugs. Then they absorb the drug, and then it is screened, and an image tech monitor observes the breakdown. Changing laws. 75% of Americans are against cosmetic testing of animals. The Animal Welfare Act of 1966 requires veterinary care, clean housing, food, and water for animals. The Health Research Extension Act was created to give rules and treat the animals well in laboratories who are observing animals. Many cosmetics, such as Revlon and Avon, made their lines cruelty-free. Many stopped purchasing animal testing due to the fact that it is not a safe product. In the conclusion, millions of animals suffer and die from painful tests that are determined to help people. The benefits are somewhat important, but there is alternatives to letting the animals suffer. I have shared with you 3 points: the history, processes, alternatives for product testing. I hope that you are now informed of the testing of products on animals and the studies behind it. Thank you.